This is the part of success people skip. Before Star Wars, before Indiana Jones, before any of it, Harrison Ford was a carpenter, not as a hobby, as survival. Columbia Pictures had signed him, looked him in the face, and told him he did not have what it takes to be a leading man. Then they dropped him, so he picked up a hammer. He was sanding floors and building sets inside the same Hollywood studios that had rejected him. The same buildings, the same industry, just a different door. And he kept auditioning on the side for years, with nothing to show for it, no momentum, no sign it was working. Just a man who refused to let someone else's verdict become his final answer. That is not a strategy. That is just stubbornness with a long timeline. So if you feel invisible right now, if the thing you want keeps not happening, you are not behind. You are in the carpenter years. Most great stories have them. Almost nobody talks about them.